Well, I'm Jigender Rana. Topic of the day is the changing landscape of life insurance in India. The changing landscape of life insurance in India. The life insurance landscape in India has been undergoing a dramatic transformation, driven by changing consumer preferences, advancements in technology, and evolving regulatory framework. The market is projected to grow at an impressive 15% CAGR, highlighting the significant opportunities and challenges ahead. Now, in response to this dynamic environment, insurers are positioning themselves as a digital-first companies, leveraging cutting-edge technologies such as generative AI, machine learning, and data analytics to enhance various facets of their businesses. One key focus area is the integration of AI at the point of sale. By equipping the agents with AI-driven tools, insurers can empower them to provide personalized product recommendations that are highly relevant to individual customer needs, ensuring a more consultative and value-driven sales process. This not only enhances customer satisfaction but also improves conversion rates by offering tailored solutions in real time. Internally, insurers are developing a state-of-the-art generative AI-powered virtual assistant designed to handle employees' queries. This virtual assistant will be available 24/7, providing instant responses, all while maintaining a high level of accuracy and consistency in information delivery. So these technological initiatives are not just about adopting new tools. They reflect insurers' overarching strategy to deliver more personalized, transparent, and seamless insurance experiences. The goal is to adapt to the rapidly evolving landscape, ensuring that they meet the diverse need of India's growing and increasing tech-savvy population while maintaining the highest standards of service. So, a high interest rates have rejuvenated demand for savings focused insurance products, with guaranteed return plans achieving a remarkable growth. However, the Indian life insurance industry still faces notable challenges like low penetration. At just 3.2% insurance penetration in India, lags significantly behind countries like China 4.5%, South Korea 8.5%, Swiss says. Then distribution inefficiencies. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities continues to be underserved due to a shortage of agent networks and slower adoption of digital channels. Then complexity of products. Over 60% of potential customers perceive insurance product is overly complex, which hinders purchase decisions. In response to these challenges, insurers have crafted a multifaceted approach. They are simplifying their products offerings to make them more accessible and easier to understand for customers, addressing the complexity issues head on. Furthermore, they are expanding the reach into underserved regions by forming strategic partnership with ecosystem players who can help extend their footprints. So to enhance efficiency and better serve their diverse customer base, they have heavily invested in digital tools for agents, resulting in a notably 20% improvements in productivity. So this combination of product innovation, strategic partnership, and digital investment is empowering insurers to navigate these industry challenges more effectively. See, IRDAI's version of insurance for all by 2047 is a transformative agenda that could redefine the life insurance landscape in India. However, achieving this ambitious goal requires addressing two critical barriers. One is digital divide. While India has witnessed a surge in internet penetration with over 80% of urban households, connected rural India lags significantly with nearly 50% of rural households lacking reliable internet access. So this divide limits the adoption of digital insurance solutions, particularly in regions where financial literacy is already low. So by bridging this gap will require not only infrastructural investments but also targeted digital literacy program to make insurance accessible to underserved communities. Insurance remains one of the least trusted financial products in India, with only 33% of the consumers perceiving insurance as reliable. Mis-selling, opaque processes, and delayed claims are key contributors to this mistrust. So, building customer confidence will necessitate a transparent ecosystem, timely claim settlement, and proactive communication at every stage of the insurance journey. So, the planned Bima Sugam platform is poised to play a pivotal role in addressing these challenges, designed as a unified marketplace. It could democratize access by bringing insurers, intermediaries, and customers under one digital roof. By offering features like policy comparison, instant issuance, and real-time claims tracking, it has the potential to foster transparency and customer empowerment. However, for Bima Sugam to succeed, it must ensure last-mile connectivity, partnering with telecom providers and fintech companies to make the platform accessible even in low bandwidth regions. Then customer education, initiating campaigns to familiarize users with the platform, especially in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, and integration with Aadhaar and UPI, leveraging India's robust digital product infrastructure to simplify KYC and payment processes. By addressing these challenges strategically, IRDAI can turn its vision into a reality, not only increasing insurance penetration but also making it a trusted and an integral part of India's financial ecosystem. The rise of InsurTech has fundamentally transformed the insurance landscape, offering unprecedented opportunities for hyper-personalization and operational excellence. Future Generali has strategically harnessed this digital wave to enhance both customer experience and internal efficiency. So AI-driven personalization by leveraging behavioral data, Future Generali's app provides tailored recommendations that resonate with individual customer preferences and needs. This approach not only enriches customers' engagement but is also projected to significantly boost sales conversion rates, underscoring the potential of AI to drive business outcomes. Then Super App formula to streamline operations and empower the sales force. Insurers are introducing a comprehensive super apps. This innovation consolidates functionalities that are previously required, navigating multiple applications, simplifying workflows, and enhancing productivity for sales teams. But these initiatives demonstrate insurers' commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancements by embedding global best practices into its operations. The companies are positioning themselves as a forward thinkers, customer-centric insurer prepared to meet the evolving demand of the digital age. So the pandemic has been a turning point in shaping customer attitude towards health and wellness, which in turn has impacted the life insurance market. So in particular, there has been a notable shift toward products that offer greater health protection. Term insurance, once primarily viewed as a straightforward financial safety net, now accounts for a significant portion of new business compared to prior to the pandemic, as customers increasingly seek coverage that provides long-term financial security in addition to health-focused protections. So alongside this, there has been a marked surge in demand for health-oriented riders, particularly critical illness riders, which have grown by 18% year-on-year basis. This growth is predominantly driven by millennials, who more than any other demographic are prioritizing their health and well-being and seeking insurance products that reflects these values. So in response to this heightened consumer awareness, companies are exploring innovative ways to integrate wellness and health benefits into traditional life insurance products. So features like telecommunication, teleconsultation, access to fitness apps, wellness related incentives, and enhanced coverage options are becoming increasingly common. So the shift in consumer demand is a reflection of a larger transformation in how individuals view insurance, not just as a safety net in the event of death, but as a tool to help manage and protect overall health and well-being. Other personalized and flexible insurance products are poised to reshape the industry, becoming the cornerstone of meeting evolving customer expectations. So, in an era where consumers demand more relevance and control, 72% of Indian customers are now willing to pay a premium for tailored solutions. This indicates a significant opportunity for insurers to differentiate themselves through innovative offerings. So, companies' modular product design exemplifies this shift. The plan, for instance, enables customers to seamlessly adjust their coverage to align with the key milestones such as marriage, parenthood, or career transitions. Moreover, personalization extends beyond products to consumer engagement with insurers using digital platforms to offer real-time policy modifications, claims tracking, and wellness incentives, fostering an interactive relationship with policyholders. So the future of life insurance lies in balancing innovation with simplicity, ensuring that these offerings are accessible and understandable across diverse customer segments. So recent regulatory changes in India's life insurance sector have significantly reshaped growth strategies, fostering innovation, inclusivity, and operational efficiency. The use and file approach, allowing insurers to launch products without prior regulatory approval, has reduced time to market, enabling quick responses to evolving customers' needs with modular and hybrid offerings. Increased FDI caps from 49% to 74% have brought in international expertise and capital, fueling R&D, digital transformation, and the adoption of global best practices. In the open architecture and distribution has expanded bancassurance partnership, enhancing market reach in under-penetrated areas like Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. The regulatory emphasis on simplified products and transparent disclosures has led to customer-centric solutions, improving trust and policyholders' engagement. So additionally, the push towards digital transformation has accelerated the adoption of AI and analytics, enhancing operational efficiency, underwriting precision, and customer personalization. With an increasing focus on ESG compliance, insurers are integrating sustainability into their strategies through paperless processes, etc. Collectively, these reforms are driving the industry towards a more inclusive, competitive, and resilient future, aligning with India's broader economic and social development goals. So, for current year, the goal is to achieve robust growth of over 15% year-on-year, reflecting the commitment to scaling operations and enhancing market presence. Beyond the immediate fiscal targets, insurers are formulating a comprehensive long-term strategy aimed at transitioning from the fragile five to being a dominant player among the top insurers in the Indian market. Additionally, the strategic focus includes tapping into emerging opportunities such as the rising demand for term plans and guaranteed savings products in a high interest rate environment. Through this multifaceted approach, insurers envision not only achieving the growth target but also positioning insurance companies as a trusted and innovative leader in the Indian life insurance landscape. So India's journey towards higher insurance penetration will require collaboration between insurers, regulators and ecosystem players. The goal is not just to sell policies but to build a trust and create lasting value for every policyholder. As life insurance grows to become a more integral part of the Indian households, it holds the power to uplift millions, protect generations and drive our nation towards a more secure future. Thank you. Thank you very much.